All right, today's lesson is A66, we're in the appendix. Writing the equation of a line given the slope and a point on the line. It's a lot, let's read it together, ready?
Writing the equation of a line given the slope and a point on the line.
Good. We have been writing equations like this, y equals x plus b. Today, we're going to learn how to write the same equation where you're given the slope and you're given a point, but you're not given the y-intercept. So that's what you're going to learn about today. Recall, the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. What's the slope-intercept form? Get ready?
Y equals mx plus b.
Good. Y equals mx plus b. M stands for slope. What? Slope. B stands for y-intercept. What?
Y-intercept.
Good. Y-intercept. You've got to know slope and y-intercept. That's the general pattern that we use to put in slope and y-intercept. So what if I gave you a point and a slope, but I didn't give you the y-intercept? Annika.
Then the origin.
We're going to find out. Let's plot it. So our first step is to plot your point. What's our first step? Get ready?
Plot your point.
Plot your point. This is the graphing method, by the way. We're going to learn another method where you don't have to do graph, but you guys might like this the best. So here's our point, 1, -2. I don't know where the intercept is. That's what I got to find out from my graph. I got to find out where it goes through the y-axis. Slope is -3. Uh-oh. My slope is -3. Oh, I thought slope was rise over run. I needed a fraction. What do I do? Because I need a numerator and a denominator. What can I do, Liesel?
You add a 1 on the bottom.
Put a 1 on the bottom. So now I have a -3 rise and a 1 run. So question, from my point, if I'm going to rise -3, am I going to go up or down? Show me with your hands. Point up or down? Good. Everyone's pointing down because it's negative. I'm going to go down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm right here. If you want to do bunny hops, you can do bunny hops. So here, now my run is a +1. Is that going to go left or right? Show me with your hands. Positive is this way. Excellent. So +1. So from here, I'm going to go +1. There's my other point. Now I would continue that pattern once, but I'm out of graph. So can I reverse that and do positive, negative? Let's try it. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run -1. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run -1. Hey, look, it stays that same pattern. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. And I missed. But where's my y-intercept? Spencer?
At 1.
At 1. There it is. So B equals 1. So now what I do is I write my general equation, y equals mx plus b, and I write what I know. I know the slope is -3, and I know my intercept is 1. And I found it out from the graph. That's all I have to do. So I just wrote the equation of a line given a point and a slope using the graphing method. Joseph.
You just answered it.
Oh, okay, excellent. All right, so that's the first method. We're going to do the second method, and then we're going to take a vote to see which one you guys like the best. The second method is called the substitution method. What?
Substitution method.
Substitution method. We're not going to graph. We're going to do it all with some operations and substituting. So let's take this question. It says the slope is -1/2. M is -1/2. And I'm given a point at, 3, -1. Hey, isn't a point an ordered pair where the first one is an x value and the second one is a y value? Keep that in mind. Step 1, I like that a lot of you are seeing, oh yeah, these are the ones that have steps. We can write this down. Step 1, write the slope-intercept equation. What's step 1? Get ready?
Write the slope-intercept equation.
Write the slope-intercept equation, which is y equals mx plus b, what?
Y equals mx plus b.
Very good. Y equals mx plus b. I'm going to let you guys catch up with your step and write this. As soon as you're done writing, look up at me and I'll know you're ready. Okay, Aubrey's ready. Colin's ready. Ethan's ready. Lisa's ready. Lauren's ready. Okay, step 2. See, that wasn't too bad. Step 2 says substitute what you know into the equation. What is step 2? Get ready?
Substitute what you know into the equation.
All right, step 2, substitute what you know into the equation. Well, what do I know? I know this, and I know an x, y value. So let's do that. I know if this is an ordered pair, x and y, that ought to be a solution in my equation. So can I use -1 for y? Absolutely. So I'm going to put a -1 in for y. Don't I know the slope? I do. It's -1/2. And don't I know the x value, or 3? Actually, I want to use blue right there. Okay. So what I substitute, what I know a y value from here. I know an x value from here. And I know my slope. That was all given to me. You're done with step 2. Step 3, solve for b. What is step 3? Get ready?
Solve for b.
Solve for b. B is the only unknown I have, so I'm going to simplify this. I got -1 equals -1/2 times 3 would be -3/2 plus b. I need to isolate b, so I'm going to use inverse operations to isolate b. So I've got a -3/2. If I add 3/2 to both sides, they'll cancel, right? That leaves me with b on the right side, copy down my equal sign, and I've got -1 plus 3/2. I need a common denominator, so I'm going to make the 1 turn into a 2/2. Okay, 2/2. So -2/2 plus 3/2, if it helps you to see it like this. Your denominator is the same. -2 plus 3 is +1. So this is 1/2. I just finished step 3. Our intercept is 1/2. What is our intercept? Get ready?
1/2.
1/2. Step 4. Rewrite the slope-intercept equation. I'm going to pause right there. Rewrite the slope-intercept equation. What's step 4? Get ready?
Rewrite the slope-intercept equation.
Okay, I'm doing that right now. Wait for you to catch up. As soon as you're done writing, look up at me. I'll know you're ready. Ready, and Sophie's ready, Jasmine's ready, Avery's ready, Kaylee, Michelle. Okay, this is the part you have to really listen to. It's not hard, you just have to do it right. Y and x has to be in our equation to have an equation, right? So we're going to leave y and x alone. All I'm going to do is substitute the slope and the intercept. That's all I need to do. So my slope, it was given to me. The slope was given as -1/2. Choose blue. The intercept, I found out. Right there, 1/2. So I write 1/2. Now I've written an equation. It's in slope-intercept form. I wrote my slope in it, and I wrote my b in it, which I found out. And now I have an equation. I'm done. So kind of a lot of steps, but it's not that bad. Give me a thumbs up if I think I got it. And mostly, let's take a vote real quick. Ethan's got a question.
Don't you have to put it, the x plus, don't you have to put that in oh, wait, never mind, because it'd be 1/2, so you can just.
Yeah, we put it in for B. Let's check it, make sure we did it good, and then we're going to take our vote. Y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. If I was going to graph that, no, let's not graph that. Let's graph this and this. It was given this point, 3, -1 over 3 down 1. It said my slope, I'm going to write it right here, -1/2. So I'm going to rise -1. Am I going to go up or down? Show me with your hands. I'm going to go down, good. So I'm going to rise down 1, bring out there. Am I going to run left or right? Right. It's positive. Positive goes right. Everyone was missing out on the practice set this morning. So there's my, oh, it's not 2. 2. Ding, ding. There's my 2. I'm out of graph. So I'm going to reverse it so I don't run out of graph. Instead, now I'm going to rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. And so forth. Now I see my pattern. Oops, I missed. What intercept did I find down here?
1.
What intercept is showing on my graph?
1.
Totally worked. We totally got it right. There's 1/2 right there. Bing. There's my intercept. So I know this is the right equation for this. Joseph.
So is X the y-intercept or is B the y-intercept?
B. Okay. Notice my final answer has a y and an x in it. Don't forget that in your final answer. Quick question. If I had a slope of 1/1, my rise is 1. Is that up or down? Show me with your hands. Up. Okay, good. You're good. Right. If I had a run of 1, do I run this way or this way? It's this way. Okay, remember that. Show me that on your practice set. Like, I swear, like, probably 12 kids have missed that today. They keep going this way. It's this way. Positive this way. All right. How about the vote? How many of you like the graphing method better? Raise your hand. How many of you like, how many like substitution method better? Okay, you get to pick either one. So let's do the practice set and take a stand-up break.